How to make your Twitter account private. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can make your account private on Twitter. Now, it's quite easy, so let me guide you through with this video. All you need to do is first open up the Twitter app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, what you want to do is tap on the profile icon that you can find at the top left corner of your screen. Here, once you tap on it, you'll get varieties of options that you can see. Simply at the bottom, you can find at the bottom left, essentially, you can see settings and support option. Tap on it and under it, head into settings and privacy. Once on settings and privacy, to make your account private, what you'll have to do is head into the fifth option that you can see below monetization and above notifications, the privacy and safety. You can read under it, manage what information you see and share on Twitter. Simply open it up, tap on it, and then tap on the first option, audience and tagging, and here simply tap on protect your tweets option. You can see protect your tweets, only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your tweets. Simply make sure you have enabled this switch beside the protect your tweets option, and only your followers will be able to look at your tweets and your contents, and your account will be set private. Now once you toggle this on, if you head back and if you head into your profile, you'll be able to find the lock option on the profile. So this means your account is private. So this way you can make your Twitter account private. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.